This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sue DeValdez. Beautiful golf course community. This spacious second-floor condo has an open floor plan that includes a beautiful living room with a gas fireplace, a dining room which will fit a table big enough for entertaining family and friends, and a kitchen that has space for a breakfast area. The primary bedroom is on one side of the condo, which offers privacy and includes a full bath with a double vanity and a jetted tub. There is also a flex space that would work well as an office, nursery, or play space for the kids. On the other side of the condo, you will find 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath. A tankless water heater was added in 2018 and a new refrigerator in 2021. The driveway, which was sealed in 2019, leads to a 2-car garage and allows additional parking in the driveway. The roof was replaced in 2021. Near recreation, restaurants, Navy bases, and beaches. Make an appointment today before it is gone. For more information, review the details below.